Use Messenger bot to collect contact numbers. Hello, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my tutorial video. This video is a step-by-step process on how to use Messenger bot to collect contact numbers. In businesses, it's very important for them to collect their users' data or leads. In collecting information, it's an edge over competitors and increase the impact of limited resources. In Messenger bot, you can collect users' data or leads inside Facebook Messenger in many ways. Here are the steps in collecting the subscriber contact number. Let's first use quick reply features. In your dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. Then, select Bot Settings and click Actions. Select Facebook Page and Bot Reply Settings and click Add Bot Reply. Provide bot name and keywords. Drop down to select reply type. Choose Quick Reply. Provide your reply message and add button type. Choose user's phone number. Then, click Submit. Bot reply has been added successfully. In your Facebook Messenger, try the quick reply feature of Messenger bot. In Facebook Messenger, type the keywords. A quick reply message will be replied to after typing the keywords. An auto opt-in number will appear. Click the number so that it will be collected. This is the first option on how to collect the contact number of your subscribers inside Facebook Messenger using Messenger bot app quick reply features. Second option, user input flow and custom field. It is the best way to collect a user's data. Follow the step-by-step process on how to use these features. Back to dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. Then, drop down to select User Input Flow and Custom Fields. Click Actions. Select Custom Fields. At the top left corner, you can see a button named New Custom Field. Click on this button to create a new custom field. Provide a custom field name. Drop down to select Reply Type. The new custom field successfully listed in the dashboard. Back in Messenger bot features, drop down to select User Input Flow and Custom Fields again and click Actions. Then, select the User Input Flow campaign. At the top left corner, you can see a button named New Flow. Click on this button to create a new user input flow. An interface to create a new user input flow will appear. Give the campaign a name and choose the Facebook page for which you want to create the user input flow. Drag and drop free keyboard input in user input flow start. We can create two types of user input flow. One is free keyboard input, and the other one is multiple choice. You can find these options on the right side of the interface. Under free keyboard input we have email, phone, text, number, URL, file, image, video, date, time, and date time. Just click on them to create your desired flow. You can add as many questions as you want. Now, select the phone icon for our collecting contact number process inside Facebook Messenger. Create a reply from the user. Click the gear icon to view the selection in building the user input flow. This element contains the following reply types. Save to custom fields, save to system field, assign to labels, assign to a messenger sequence, assign to email vertical bar phone sequence, and skip button text. It also has an option to remove these questions if you want to change the user input flow. Click Variables to view all the variables needed in creating the final reply message. Look for contact number and copy it, then paste it in final reply message. Click Add in final reply template. Provide the template name, postback ID, choose sequence campaigns, choose labels, select reply type, and provide your reply message, then paste the variable that you copied in the variable settings. After providing all the information for the final reply message, click Submit. The template has been created successfully. Click OK. Click Submit. After all, you set up the required fields in creating automation in collecting contact numbers of your subscriber. The campaign has been created successfully. Click OK. The campaign already listed in the menu. It has a flow name, page name, and actions. Actions contain report, export flow data, edit campaign, and delete campaign. Now we need to integrate this user input flow into a Messenger bot. Back to Dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. Then, select Bot Settings and click Actions. Select Facebook Page and Bot Reply Settings and click Add Bot Reply. Provide bot name and keywords separated with a comma. Then, select Reply Type User Input Flow. Next, select the flow campaign you just created. Then, click Submit. Bot reply has been added successfully. Open your Facebook Messenger to test the automation in collecting the contact number of your subscribers. This is how the user input flow and custom field. The output is just the same as the quick reply. The final message after the subscriber provided their contact number. Now, build your collecting numbers automation with Messenger Bot app. It's easy to create, and you have many options on what information you want to collect. With your subscriber, just choose the element multiple times if you want to collect information at once. Just follow the step and enjoy the benefits of Messenger Bot on your social media afterward. Subscribe now. Click the links below to enjoy our free trial.